my dog has eaten up my candy. So we are gonna find it in this big mess that my dog has made. So yeah. First, once you start with the base of the candy. So here, aha, into the trash. You're gonna just walk on the trail, look over here. If there's anything, no. In the corner, nope. Okay. Oh, here we go. Another pretty opened up lolly. Let's first see what kind of flavor it is because I'm kind of wondering still. Here I am opening it up. Oh, it was a bad flavor anyway, so in the trash. In the trash. Time to clean all this up. Boom. All clean. Bye. Subscribe.